How to delete your account on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your account on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal account. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now click on account and click on the last option in red color, which is delete account. Now before you delete your account, deleted your account info and profile photo, delete all your message, and now you should select your country, your phone number, and delete your account. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.